Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. So it's here, it's ready, it's launched. It's app.free AI trading journal, and it's called Cypher AI. It's completely free to use. There's no login, there's no registration or anything like that. You just go ahead and start using it. This website will take you to a landing page. Here you can open the journal or click here to get free instant access, and I'll show you that in a second. There's a quick little demo video here. It's got some features laid out, and then it's got an FAQ section. There's a list of how-to videos that you can access here or within the app. So all you need to do is click on Open Journal, and that's it. You'll be presented with a blank journal. Mine's got some data entered here for September. And then the how-to videos here, it's about 10, 12 minutes video on how to set this up with your own API keys for your own AI. So you could choose through hundreds of AI models. And then there's some settings here. If you click on this email icon, you'll get a sign up form for a newsletter, and also I'll give you product updates for when new features roll out. And it'll be a way to communicate with me if you don't want to use YouTube comments. For any feature improvements, I would consider. So there's that. I added the daytime, nighttime theme to this, depending on your preference. And that's it. So it's ready to go. The link will be in the description. Again, it's app.freeaitradingjournal.com. So check it out. Let me know how you like it, and have a great day.